Are you good? Yes or no? Yes, I think I heard mostly yeses, and that is fantastic. And if you did say no, that's okay. I'll send you some love. Okay, today we are going to practice the letter Q. And Q says qua, 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 qua. You try. Oh, excellent qua sound. Now, Q is a very tricky letter. There is a sneaky letter that's always attached to it all the time, anytime you write the letter. And you kind of hear the sound at the end. What letter says You got it. U. Whenever you write qua, you have to put a U next to it. Anytime, every time. Uppercase, lowercase, does not matter. You must have a U no matter what. Okay, so we are going to practice making it. We are going to practice writing it. And then we will check out some animals that start with the qua sound. So you will need your helper, which is the grown-up that's with you, to help you get your supplies. All you need is our half sheet, uppercase at the top, lowercase at the bottom, and of course you need something to write with, pencil, marker, pen, whatever you have available. So go ahead and have your helper, get your supplies, and meet me back here so we can check our schedule. Okay, friends, let's check our schedule. We have 2 jobs today. We are going to practice making the upper and lowercase Q, and we're going to write it. Then we will check out some animals that start with that qua sound. And when we get to the star, we'll be all done. So let's go.
Okay, friends, let's get started. We are going to start with the uppercase Q. Now, let's look at this. It looks just like an O, which we have done before, but it adds a little line right here, kind of a diagonal in the bottom. So what we'll do is we always start our uppercase letters at the top. We will make a big curve, and then we're going to keep on going, and then we will pick up, and then we'll go bloop, make a little line. Easy peasy. Let's do it one more time. Big curve, keep going, pick up, little line. Yes. Okay, so let's look at our pieces here. So I have a big curve, and then I have to make it keep going, and I have to add my little line. Okay, I think I know what I'm doing, and now you all get the fun part. Finger writing. You get to write on the table, on your hand, on your head, on your leg, on your foot, wherever you would like. Okay, let's do it. Here we go. Okay, always at the top. Here we go. Big curve, keep on going, and then pick up and add your little line. Yes, okay, let's do that one more time. Here we go. This one's pretty easy because it's kind of like O. We're just, bloop, there's an O, ta-da, and then we're just adding our little line. Okay, here we go. At the top. Oh, and of course, change your finger writing spot. Here we go. Big curve, keep on going, pick up, add your little line. Yes! Okay, now let's check out the lowercase q. Okay, friends, lowercase q, oh my goodness, it is way trickier. So we have our little curve, and then we go back up, and we go down, but unlike G, where we curve in and do a little hook, we're going to curve back and give it a little smile, like a little smiley face. So watch Mrs. Huey. Okay, here I go. I'm going to start on my top, at the top still. So I have a little curve up and then down, but back in a happy face. Whew. Okay, that's tricky. Let's do that one more time. Little curve up, down, back in a happy face. Yes. Okay, now let's do it together. Oh, but wait a minute. Hold on. I have my little curve. I have my line, but I don't have a piece that looks like this. So I need to make one with this. I need to add it. Okay, here I go. Like that. Ta-da! Okay, here we go. Now I have my handy dandy piece that looks just like this with the happy face. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to start with my little curve. Here we go. Oh, and of course, finger writers, I almost forgot. You get to do it on the table, on your head, on your foot, on your leg, on the carpet, wherever you would like. Okay, let's do it. Here we go. So we have our little curve up. Now go down, back in a happy face. Oh, you know what? You can't see that very well. Let's do that again, Mrs. Huey. Okay, ready? Let me make sure it's high enough. Okay. Okay, here we go. Little curve up, down, back, and a happy face. There we go. Okay, let's try that again. Here we go. Little curve up, down, and a happy face. Yes! Okay, one more time because lowercase q is just so tricky. Here we go. Okay. Little curve up, down, back in a happy face. Yes! Okay, now let's practice writing it. Grab your paper and your pencil or whatever you're writing with, and let's do it. Okay, here we go. We have our uppercase and lowercase and whatever we're writing with, and I'm going to use a marker so that hopefully we can see it better. Let's start with the uppercase. Okay, we're going to start on our green dot. Here we go. Big curve, keep on going, pick up, little line. Yes! Okay, here we go. Next one, on green dot. Big curve, keep on going, pick up, little line. Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go. Next one, on green dot. Big curve, keep on going, pick up, little line. Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go. Last one with the tracer, on green dot. Big curve, keep on going, pick up, little line. Yes! Okay, now let's do it with no tracer. We can do it. On green dot, here we go. Big curve, keep on going, pick up, little line. Yes, that was amazing. Okay, now we are going to go to the lowercase q. And remember, we have to hook back because we're making a happy face. Okay, on green dot, here we go. Little curve up, down, back, and a happy face. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go to the next one. On green dot. Little curve up, down, and back with a happy face. Yes! Okay, next one. Here we go. On green dot. Little curve up, down, back with a happy face. Oh, yeah. Okay, last one with tracer. Here we go. On green dot. Little curve up, down, back with a happy face. Woohoo! Okay, we can do it with no tracer. I know we can. Here we go. On green dot. Little curve up, down, back with a happy face. Oh, yeah, that was awesome. Okay, let's check our schedule.
Check schedule! Yes! Oh my goodness, that was awesome. We got to practice finger writing the upper and lowercase q, and don't forget that happy face at the bottom of that q. And then we wrote it all on our own, and it was amazing. Okay, let's check that off. Ready? Check. Okay. Oh, and now let's go check out some animals that start with that qua sound. Okay, let's go.
Okay, looks like our first animal is the quail. Quail. And oh my goodness, there are more than 15 species of this bird. That is so awesome. They live worldwide in the woods or the forest. They eat seeds and flowers and insects. And they got to watch out for cats, snakes, and raccoons. Okay, let's see what the next animal is. Looks like the next one is a quokka. Quokka, and I'm not sure if I'm saying that correct, but this animal is found only in Southwest Australia. It eats grasses and leaves and fruit, and it has to watch out for foxes, cats, and dogs. Okay, let's see what's next. The next one, is a quetzal. Quetzal. And this is a very colorful bird, and its tail can go up to 3 feet long. Whoa, that is amazing. You can find them generally in Central America in the tropical rainforest. It's actually not a good flyer, and it needs to watch out for squirrels, owls, and hawks. Let's see what the last animal is. The last one is a queen snake. Queen snake. Okay, a queen snake, it has armor-like scales on the back of it. And they eat crayfish. And guess what? They are not venomous. So that's a good thing, but still do not care too much for snakes. Okay, let's check our schedule.
Check schedule! Woohoo! That was awesome. I didn't have that started with the quah sound, so I had to check out A2ZAnimals.com to get some, because that's a really cool site, and you guys can check that out, and it's awesome. It has all kinds of animals, all kinds of information. Amazing. Okay, and I think my favorite was probably the quokka. I'm not really sure if I'm saying it right, but it was a cute little critter, and it was just adorable. Okay, what was your favorite? Oh, of course, the queen snake. Ugh, Mrs. Huey does not care for snakes. Yee! Okay, let's check that off. Okay, ready? Check. And oh, look at that. We made it to the star. You know what that means. We are all done. Big heart for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can learn with Mrs. Huey. Bye.
It's Huey time. Bye.